Hey, welcome back, y'all. So today we're talking about style guide in Python. So I have a few examples already written out. It's not going to encompass everything that's within PEP 8. So PEP 8 is going to be your comprehensive style guide writing for Python. So I'll drop the link down below as well so you can check it out. And I'll show you exactly what it looks like too. So these are going to cover functions, variables, classes, methods, and then also constants as well. So I want to talk about in Python why we write things a certain way, just so it's clean, it's concise, and the readability, and there's a method behind the madness, right? So the first one up we have is variables. So I know we've been talking about variables before. We only did one single word variable. So this is a user name. So what we have here is a underscore. In Python, when you're listing a variable and you have more than one word for the variable name, you have to put an underscore. Now, let's just say, for example, we want to delete the underscore and put a space. It's not going to let it run, right? You can see it's giving you an error. So the way to write variables within Python is going to be to use a underscore instead of a space. Now, this one is called snake case, underscore variables, and functions. So next up, we have Pascal case. So this is going to be used really for classes, for methods, for building objects in Python, right? So we call this one Pascal case for methods and objects, so classes. The next one we have is called Camel case. Now, it looks the exact same as Pascal case, right? Difference with Pascal case, you have every single word is capitalized, but there's no spacing between it. Whereas this one, you have the first word is lowercase. Now, this one's not recommended at all in Python, but it is used in Java and JavaScript. Now, the next one we have is constants, right? So this one is really used for constants that do not change. So these are hard constants, if you will, and we just want to keep those in place. So this is going to be your all caps, and it's going to combine basically your snake case, but just be all caps. And then for me, this is one I personally prefer, but I don't use it because Python does not recommend it. To me, it's kind of clean, right? Each word is capitalized and you have the underscore space between them. This is actually an old style and not recommended any longer. So the new method that's preferred and recommended by PEP 8 is going to be your snake case. So more often than not, what you're going to see in Python is going to be these two first examples more than anything else. Now, if you have a certain way of doing business within your organization, that's fine. You may use this and you may incorporate these as well, or you may do it a completely different way. But as long as you have one standard route, that's always the best approach so that you don't have different styles within your organization. Now we're looking at the PEP 8 style guide, the official guide. So this one covers indentation, spacing, max line lengths, and a bunch of other stuff, but it's very comprehensive. So I suggest that you also look at this as you build so that you know the exact and proper method on how to code things appropriately. But with that said, that's all I have for today, folks. Check out the links down below, and thanks for watching.